Pocket TV with Dr. E. And hold on, we have a problem here with this camera. Just 1 second, there's a problem here. Hello. What kind of unit is that for?
So this is a bywire brake system.
Okay.
It's our latest generation. Enables true level 5 autonomy.
Oh, okay.
So it is a complete decoupling of the mechanical connection between what used to be the brake pedal and the braking system. Now it's replaced by a sensor that sits on the floor and feeds signals intelligently into the brake system.
So you can use basically touch it with that.
Exactly right. Actually feel it. It's really cool. So instead of that full pedal travel,
instead of
you've got 4 millimeters of travel in this one. So
and that's
before
it?
it picks up the signal.
Nice.
Yeah, but I do drive an EV.
Okay.
So one pedal driving, we don't really interact with the brake pedal.
No, it's more like the engine stop it.
Yeah, it's D-cell.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's just the latest generation. It actually goes into series production this year.
Nice.
Yeah.
Thank you, Beth.
Yeah, thanks so much.
Smart battery production here from Bosch. The automation.
I'm not going to make a decision now on a robot house, just get the video.
Smart sensor for XR headsets.
You can get your contact because
I love this demonstration here with the high sensitivity sensor for tactile sensing. As you can see, the sensor on the finger, the index finger, can be touched.
So, what is the range here?
range will vary because of integration.
I'm gonna touch it.
So I cannot answer. We don't do the wire test. We only test with this kind of very thin, like.
And then you see the signal there.
When you say integration, what do you mean by that?
How you integrate our sensor?
Okay, so it's a very specific way to integrate that sensor. I see. I see it's being airtight. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, okay.
Very interesting. It's how you sense the touch, make it more accurate. We are live. Bosch has a lot of appliances, as you may already know. And we're going to continue here. All these appliances, and also sensors, and of course, tools. All kinds of tools. We're gonna continue now.
And how I do that is I add a little bit of water into the egg yolk, sort of loosen up those protein strands to accept the oil.
We're gonna continue to TDK. TDK always has all kinds of different technologies and sensors too. They it's like amazing tech, very smart engineering on TDK, as you can see here. Well, in this case, it's just a Formula One simulator. And then we have here a sensor for motors and embedded controllers for braking, for automated haptic displays. If you're into electronics, you might be interested in getting the imaging radar sensors, front camera sensors, infotainment ECUs, or the electronic computer unit on your car, fast charging here from TDK. Hello, sir. A lot of sensors and haptics and pretty cool innovation here in hello, sir. Those were coils for wireless charging. They have even AI data centers. I don't know what they have there for that, but see, even smart glasses. The Meta optic mirror is another type of glass or device. We're back to LG now, so we're gonna go over here to see what else TDK has to show. And if you want to scan something, go ahead and scan it here. Multiple sensors, mostly for electronics engineers that are creating the new technologies, are going to have some creative use of those sensors to make a new patent, a new technology, a new startup. And right here we got the area of Kodak, the legendary Kodak company. Now it's trying to reinvent itself, I guess. That's what the evidence shows. It's much smaller booth than last year. That may not mean anything. However, we have some smartwatches here from Kodak. Binocular technologies, of course, lenses. Family monitor with different cameras. I think Nikon is their brand. Kodak. Cameras, well, we have to see. I've never tried any Kodak camera in the past. But Kodak is trying to reinvent itself. Walking around, this is the LG area. We saw Cloyd, C-O-L-I-D, C-O-L-O-I-D. See on my website, I'll have a little documentary on Cloyd as well. Well, HDMI, you ever heard of HDMI cable? This is the HDMI Organization, and it's defined as a high definition multimedia interface. That's what HDMI stands for. And Chuck's open sound. There you go. We recall in my incubator we have a guy that was working on something like this. Obviously at much smaller scale. And then we have here Terodan Robotics with some cool robots. Universal Robotics, a pretty cool demo. Use cases. We'll continue here around the central hall in Advanced Manufacturing Showcase area, where we see AI powered quality smart manufacturing. Everybody's curious about AI. Everything is AI related. ZenCord AI, for example, another AI company, Hell Audio, Excel Value. Hi. What do you guys do?
All-in-one recording device. So pretty much become with earbuds.
Okay.
Record phone calls as well as online conversations. In the case itself, you can very discreetly put in your bag or your car and record one-to-one conversations.
Okay.
Then it connects to the app where it instantly gets transcribed in 30 seconds. So for instance, if you're at a board meeting, you can take up to, it will detect up to 10 different voices in different chambers.
Which one is which one? We'll say like voice one, voice two. Okay.
And then we have software where it will instantly transcribe, instantly generate meeting minutes. So AI analyzations, meeting minutes. For instance, if you're listening to an audio book, it will do the lecture summary, interview summary, lecture notes, flashcards, quizzes. So it's really good for business people primarily, but also students.
Got it.
We come in different blocks.
And what's the price of this?
So it ranges between 180. This is the 180 first generation, and
second generation.
second generation that's coming out. I believe they're launching it in April. Right now it's in Japan.
It's in Japan. It's a Japanese company.
Yes, but it is really good for, we're launching in the US this year and looking for distribution.
Ah, okay. Can I have a card?
You can take a picture of his business cards.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
You work for the company or you're just for the conference? Okay, yeah, interesting. No, I'm an investor, but I have a technology channel called TechEd TV. So you're live right now on TechEd TV.
Maria, follow me at the Real Maria _S.
Real Maria _S. Oh, okay, Maria. Thank you very much for your explanation, and we'll be in touch. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. So I think we have here gone through multiple interesting companies. Like I said, AI is the foundation of most of these technologies. AI is becoming a structurally part of design, engineering, marketing, sales, everything. So it's going to be very difficult to change that. Westinghouse, on the other hand, is a legendary company. You recall, Westinghouse is a gigantic corporation that comes from the past, and they're still on energy. They make some electronic devices like this television, but they are not at par in terms of marketing and presentation with the guys at TCL or LG. That's for sure. We have the IEEE here. If you are part of the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, I'm gonna ask here, are you guys giving away anything?
If you go through that side, you can make an album barcode.
Oh,
Just the buttons that way.
oh, nice. That's pretty cool. I won't make you guys go around that because that's more for me. But if you want a scooter and you like scooters and you like to use that mode of transportation, there are multiple companies with scooters in this area. Several companies with electrical vehicles, bicycles, scooters of all kinds. So we're gonna leave this area and we're gonna move to the North Hall again. We showed us there yesterday, but